Welcome back to PGH. This is Coach Groves, the one and only. Today, our students are in the middle of our Greek unit of study, and they will be working on paper slide presentations. The purpose of this strategy is for students to explain a concept in their own words and with illustrations they create. Retelling does not mean memorizing. It means recounting the story in a student's own words. Retellings require students to think more conceptually, to look at the bigger picture, rather than answering specific questions about the text. Retelling also helps learners internalize information and concepts such as vocabulary and story structure. The more experience students have with retelling, the more they are able to understand, synthesize, and infer. The paper slide activity incorporates both visual and oral sequencing and the retelling of story or concept. Materials needed for this presentation for the students is whatever you're using for an initial delivery of information, whether it be text, an article, an excerpt, a picture. It could be whatever it is, a video. So it could be text, video segments, articles, anything about a topic. They're going to need blank paper, markers, and a digital recording device. So when we begin the paper slides presentation, the work for the project, firstly, the students are going to, from the source or resources, they will select a particular amount of evidence. That's always going to be teacher-led. It depends on the size of the groups. And they will create a paper slide with an image or illustration for each. Students will also need to create an opening slide that you'll see an example for in the next video. Teams will then need to sequence the images in order they feel makes most sense and create an accompanying script for each slide. Students should not write out the script on the slides. Let's say that again. Students should not write out the script on the slides. Next, students should practice reading through their script a few times before recording. This will help increase reading fluency. When students are ready, have one member of each team hold the recording device, or in our case, we'll probably be using student MacBooks, so they'll be able to set that up any way that they want to, and then one student or member can hold the paper slides. Each team member should read his or her portion of the script with the accompanying slide. This is a one-take video. There should be no stopping and starting or even editing. This strategy is an effective way to assess knowledge of a topic and improve the ability to work in a collaborative environment.
A History of Veterans Day.
For the 5th grade class of 2012-2013.
The celebration of Veterans Day is held on November 11th of every year in the United States. This day is set aside to honor and remember all of the military men and women who have served America in any war and during peacetime. Veterans Day, it was first called Armistice Day.
Armistice Day signaled the end of World War I, which was fought from 1914 to 1918.
The armistice, which means peace, was signed on the 11th hour of the 11th day of the 11th month. Today we join together to honor those in our community who have served in the armed forces.
Thank you, veterans!